Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space windows and press enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space c : /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.